How to make a payment to Truist Bank. To make a payment to Truist Bank, here are the most common options. Visit Truist's website and log into your account. Navigate to the Payments or Transfer section. Choose the bill or account you wish to pay. Input the payment amount, date, and other required information. Review and confirm the payment. Dial Truist's customer service at 1-844-487-8478 for general inquiries, or the specific number for your type of account. Locate the nearest Truist Bank branch using the branch locator on their website. Provide the account details and payment amount to a bank teller. If you need specific details for your account or payment type, check your statement or contact Truist customer service directly for assistance. Thanks for watching.